Here's a white LED backup light module for the Bargman Model 84 series tail lights. The Bargman Model 84 light is commonly used on a bunch of Arctic Fox travel trailers and Arctic Fox truck campers. And it's a plug-and-play unit. You remove the existing backup light bulb after you pull the lens, and then just insert this just like an 1156 bulb, and then screw this module in place of the original lens. So let's go ahead and run outside and install this and test it out.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fast.
This is looking at the original tail light backup lens unit. Here's a LED module that I have been using for the last 6 or 8 years on the tail light. The lens unit is held in place with 2 Phillips head screws. Pull those out, and I'll show you the light behind the lens. So this is just a plug-and-play replacement LED. I've also covered the back of the light fixture with some aluminum foil tape. I did that quite a few years ago. One thing to note is if you do opt to replace your backup light with this particular LED module, that to keep your vehicle or your RV meeting vehicle regulation lighting codes, also known as Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard number 108 for the US, or Canadian Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 for Canada, also abbreviated FMVSS 108 or CMVSS 108. You do need to install some sort of additional reflector that meets that same code, because this lens has a reflector in it and this one does not. So let's swing the camera around and then turn off the lights in my shop. I wish my rig was outside so I could give a better representation of how much light this gives off compared to my other LED. The new LED module does give off more light, plus it doesn't have the red halo effect like the original lens has. If this is something you're interested in purchasing, check out my Amazon affiliate link in the description below.